Digital work instructions in 4Industry help you standardize work to increase quality, operator performance, and safety. Let's explain how it works. You can either schedule digital work instructions up front or instantly access them per machine. Of course, work needs to be performed safely. That's why our digital work instructions contain a safety panel to help workers stay safe and reduce any risks on the shop floor during task execution. Detailed explanatory steps guide the operator through task execution, making sure they don't forget any steps or tools. An overview of required materials and tools for each step helps the operator to swiftly execute the task at hand. You can also add visual elements to work instructions like videos and images. This will help operators to execute their task even more efficiently. Lessons or manuals can be linked to the work instructions to provide the operator an extra layer of information. Going digital with your work instructions means you start collecting data. All sorts of useful information are captured, which you can use to define follow-up actions for improvement.